Okay, so in the email you'll have this file. It'll just be called new file, and you can open it up, and then you'll click the startup.exe, and it'll pop up with this window, and you'll hit install, and then it will open it up. So that's how it will open. You also have this label template document, and you'll want to click on it, right click on it, and go down to cut, and then it'll change different color. Then you'll want to click on this PC, go to your C drive, it'll be like local disk with the C in it, and then you right click and you click paste. I have one already, but I'll click replace the file in this destination to show you. It'll say you have to have admin rights. You just click continue, and then it'll paste into here. And then you'll go back to your folder, which mine is in this folder. And then you can click on this one instead of the startup, and it will launch your application. And then here you can pick which one you want: Boise, Nampa, Meridian, Eagle, Kuna, or Middleton. And then this is your start date. So let's say you want to start on the 27th and you want to go back 1 week. And then you hit go. And then it will launch this. And it will fill it out a whole week's worth, which apparently in Eagle there was not a lot in that week being sold. And then you can go to your print options and print it how you would. And then you should be able to just go, hey, I want Boise this time, and click go. And it'll keep this information for you. We'll just click OK. And it'll just open a new one for you. And it looks like Boise had quite a bit more than the other one in a week. And then you do the same, you just go print. And you can say this time you want 2 weeks worth of stuff. And you hit go. And it'll ask if it's read only again. And it looks like that one had quite a bit in just 2 weeks instead. Then you print. You don't have to save it if you don't want to, but if you do, I would click save as and name it something different than what it is in your C drive, because I'm not sure if it'll be overwritten when you run the application again. So if you have any more questions, send me a text or give me a call, and I will help you as much as I can. Sweet, thank you.